guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm finally doing a plan with me video. You guys have been asking me to do one of these for over a year now, and I just haven't gotten around to it yet. That's just like such a bad excuse, but I wanted it to be perfect, and I was like trying to think of like, sorry about that. I was trying to think of like all the like different ways I could like film it and make it like all professional and like just really good, and then I just put off doing it. So I finally just decided I'm just gonna do it in a very non-professional, very casual way for you guys, because that's just how I want to do it, just very casual. And yeah, there's a lot to like how I plan, and I'll obviously show you everything. I have like a full on like system now, and I feel really good about this system. I've been using it for like 2 or 3 months now, whereas last year I had like a little bit of a different system. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I plan, what I use to plan, the whole thing. I'll have everything that I use in this video linked in the description box, like literally everything, to my pencils, pens, highlighters, my planner, my iPad, and my computer, just everything. So if you guys are excited for this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click that bell, and without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so I try not to do these pop-ins that much anymore, but I feel like my brain was like everywhere when I was filming this video, so I wanted to like say a few things. I hadn't like ate all day, and it was like 4 o'clock. I was just so busy. So like, of course, my mind wasn't like properly like working. So like there was a few things that like I missed out on saying. I was just kind of like scatterbrained or whatever. But yeah, I was just gonna say another reason why I put off this video is because I didn't think people would want to see me showing you guys what I write in my planner, because I'm not like aesthetically pleasing when it comes to like handwriting and that whole thing. Like, I'm good at organization, but like in a different way. Like, I don't know, it's just like not that aesthetically pleasing, I guess. So I didn't think you guys would want to see it, but like for the past 1.5 years, I have been getting requests to please do it. So I just thought, you know what, I'll get the people what they want. Also, my handwriting is not great. I people tell me all the time, like in my classes, like, oh my god, like this one guy told me, he was like, no offense, but your handwriting kind of looks like a kindergartner's. So I don't have the neatest handwriting, but like it's fine. It's completely fine. I think that's all that I had to say. Enjoy. I'm gonna show you the planner that I'm using for this video and that I always use. I've used this planner for like 2 years now, and I've gotten so many people onto this planner, but I love this planner. This is the Day Designer Planner. Mine's from July 2019 to June 2020. I've gone through, I think this is my 4th one. They're very expensive, I'm not gonna lie. I have a little hack though. If you order it directly from the Day Designer website, it's like $60 plus $15 like shipping, I think. So that's like $75, right? So I went to Anthropologie's website and found this one on there, and it was actually on sale. And then I got free shipping. So it was just overall like a way better deal. So same planner and everything. They make these, or they sell these at Target, but it's not like, it's the same brand, but it's not the same. It's just not the same. So, but if you want like a dupe or whatever, go to Target and you can find this brand there. But I love this one so much. So I'll have it linked. I'll have their website and this exact planner. And I'll also have the one, or like some from like Anthropologie or whatever. So this is my planner. It's a Day Designer, like I said. At the beginning, I don't use any of this stuff, so I'm not even gonna go into detail. It's really cool. It's got a lot of really cool different things, but what I really like about it is that it has a full dedicated day. So let me go to a day where I didn't write down anything. There we go. Okay, see, you have like a full day, and I use the side where it has like the check boxes so I can like check it off, but then this is also like down to like the nitty-gritty like time. Like, it's insane. So I love that. I love this planner so much. And then obviously you get like a full-on monthly spread. I guess I'll just show you, I'll show you the month of October because it's about to be November. So this is my little monthly spread. This is what it looks like. It's kind of messy. I'm not perfect at all, but I'll just show you like the system I use, and then I'll actually do like a monthly spread on camera so you guys can like see me do it. Yeah, I was actually going to start planning yesterday for the month of November, because I always go like per month. Like at the end of September I did October spread, and then I just do it every month because the teachers will like update the syllabus and update like assignments, and I just find that system works a lot better than doing it at the very beginning of the semester. So yeah, so my system is basically for every class that I have 5 classes. I will color coordinate that class to like a specific like highlighter, if that makes sense. So I write everything in black, like a black flare pen. I'll show you. Ah, it fell. Okay, this is the pen that I usually use. It's just a Sharpie pen. Actually, it's not even a flare pen. But I'll go and write down everything, and then I will highlight it for that specific class. So like if I have a quiz in bio, I'll just write like quiz, or like the name of the quiz, like a ecology quiz, and then I'll put orange highlighter because that's the color I use for bio. So for bio I use orange. It's like a peachy orange for bio and bio lab. Even though they're different classes, it's like the same, honestly. So bio and bio lab. And then for accounting I use pink. For kinesiology I use blue. For English or American literature, whatever, I use green. And then for economics I use purple. And I think that's all of them. And then for like appointments, plans, workout classes, I'll highlight it in yellow. So that's my system. So I'll show you guys again. My monthly spread. So it's not perfect, like I said, but it works for me. So I'll show you like a normal like day spread. And I just check it off or whatever. It's not neat at all, but it's just how I do it most of the time. But I will check it off in red, so I always have a black and red pen in my planner at all time. But then when it comes down to like planning the month out, I'll have my pencil powder near me. So I don't bring this to school with me. I'll just like write it on my phone, like if I have something to do like while I'm out all day. I only have classes Tuesday, Thursday, so I have a busy day Tuesday and Thursday, so I don't really get anything done other than like schoolwork, like in between classes or whatever. But I don't really have time to do things those days anyway, so I don't need my planner with me, if that makes sense. I'll just type it up on my phone if I do have something I need to do. That's how I do things, I guess. I don't really know. I guess I'll just like turn the camera down, and I might do like a screen recording of me. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I actually can't, because my school uses Canvas. I go to UNCG, and that's where like, I don't know how to explain it. On my dashboard, I'm looking on my computer right now, it has what I have due for that class like for weeks in advance. So it'll be like, I'm looking at it right now. I can't show you guys because it says my class and my section and time and everything, and that's kind of dangerous to show on camera, my whole schedule. So because you guys could figure out what class I'm in and like what classroom, so, and like everything. So it says like Friday, November 1st, and I'm looking, the first thing that I have due on that day is a bio unit 3 exam. And so I just go on my computer and scroll through the whole month, and I'll just start like writing out in pen, and then I will highlight it a specific color. So I'll show you guys that system, but I'm gonna be doing that on my MacBook. So I'm just gonna be looking at that, but then I also have my iPad out right here, so I can see more stuff that I can't see on my computer, because some classes that I have 2 classes that aren't on Canvas, like the due dates aren't on the dashboard part, if that makes sense. So I have to go to the syllabus and go to the course schedule and find my assignments that are due on there. It's really aggravating because I wish everything would just be on the dashboard, but there are a few that aren't. So I'm gonna like pull those up on my iPad so that I can simultaneously like do this together. So this is the iPad I use, iPad Pro 11-inch 2019, I think. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'll show you while I'm doing it. It's not gonna be professional by any means, like literally at all. So this is what I have so far. This is just like random stuff, like my 20th birthday is November 6th, Halloween party, lash appointment, my parents are going to Nashville. I'm doing like a hair challenge. So that's just like what I have right now. I haven't even highlighted it yet. Can you guys see everything? I hope so. Okay, so it's upside down right now to you guys, I think. So I might have to like, I don't know what I'm doing with my life, but okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna speed this up so I can listen to music and just get through it. All right guys, so I just finished planning, but I didn't realize that my camera cut off. So I don't know how much I got. I don't know if I got to the highlighting part, but I mean, I just highlighted it according to the color system that I told you guys. I just use these 5 highlighters, nothing special, but I'll give you guys like an overview. I don't have anything like in my planner right now that like you guys can't see like for videos or whatever. I usually put the videos I need to film like on the day, like I would write it on that scheduled day that I need to like film or upload or whatever. I don't put it on my big calendar because I just have so much school stuff and like events that I don't have like room to put like video stuff. And then like video ideas I put in my iPad. So yeah, but this is the system. So purple economics, events yellow, bio, and bio lab is peach. Usually I'll write like an L for the lab assignments, but I know what's a lab assignment and what's an online bio class assignment by this point. And then kinesiology is blue, and then English is green. But I also do accounting, and obviously there's no pink, or there's barely any green because I just had an English exam, and so she hasn't uploaded like our schedule for the rest of the semester, and same for my accounting. I literally just had an exam yesterday in that class, and she waits until like a couple days after, and then she'll upload like all the assignments like when they're due. So I'll just write like the online homework assignment. Like, let me give you an example of like for English, usually I'll just have like a written response like on a reading that we did. Those are usually due on Tuesdays, and that's all I have for English. But then for accounting, like I'll have like chapter 5 post homework or chapter 6 pre homework, just stuff like that. Nothing crazy. It looks pretty bare right now, but just keep in mind it's because I don't have my English or my accounting assignments in there right now. So that's kind of why. But on Sunday, like I'll go through my whole week, and like on Sunday I'll look at my big calendar in my planner, and I will write down each day like what I need to do that day, if that makes sense. So like on Sunday night I'll sit down and I'll be like, okay, I have a bio quiz due Tuesday, so I need to do that. Hopefully I've already done it, but if not, then by Monday. And I just like sit down and write down each day and kind of bounce it out. Like on Wednesday I have an appointment at 3, so I need to film at 4, and I need to do this homework assignment that's due Thursday that night, stuff like that. So I don't really plan that out like months in advance. I just do it like the week of, which makes sense, right? So that's basically everything that I do. When I make a mistake, I forgot to mention, but I do use this like whiteout thing that I really like. All this stuff I mentioned in my back to school supplies haul, so I'll have that video linked in the description box. But like I said, we'll have everything that I used in this video linked and listed in the description box, so you guys can shop it and get whatever you need, whatever you want. But I really recommend this system. I really recommend this planner. I think that's all that I have to show you guys. Pretty simple. Like I said, love this system. It's really easy. Didn't take me too long. Like I said, I do this once a month. Keep in mind, I do have to like add things and take away things, like depending on like, sometimes the professors will be like, oh, like I'm moving your exam, which is so great to hear. I love that. So then your exam's on a different day, so then I have to go back and white out it and all that fun stuff. You guys know it's not permanent, but I just prefer a planner system versus like using my phone or like Google Calendar or like Apple Calendar, whatever. I just like having it on paper, and I love writing everything out that I have to do that day and then checking it off. I just love that. For instance, this is today, and I'll show you what I had to do today. It was a very light day because I don't have classes, so I have to do an assignment that I haven't done yet. I put Dynasty because that comes on tonight. I need to get gas, and I'm putting air in my tires, and then I needed to film this video and edit it. So now I can mark that off. I'll just check it. It's very messy, just ignore it. Things change, you know? So I can just mark that off. So that's one thing marked off. So guys, that is the whole entire video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm so sorry if something was cut off, or you guys, it like wasn't in focus, or I don't know. Like I said, this was just very casual, very informal, non-professional. I know I said that in my how I take notes with my iPad video last year, and you guys were like attacking me because I kept saying it's not professional, but it's really not. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below how you liked this video, and if you have been waiting for this, I apologize. I am so sorry. Let me know if you want me to do like more updated ones throughout like the semesters as they go on, because who knows, I might change systems. But I've been using this one for about 2 or 3 months, like I said. But don't forget to subscribe if you guys are new here. I do college videos, I do hauls, I do vlogs, makeup videos, lifestyle, stuff like that. Click the bell so you get notified. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. I have some exciting content coming up for you guys and you don't want to miss out, so be ready for that. I love you guys so much. Thanks so much for watching. It means the world to me, and I will hopefully see you guys very soon in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.